Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts.
Okay, Wicked fam, we are back today with the full collection of the Glenda Stanleys. Now, these are the Glenda Stanleys for the 2025 For Good Movie Part 2 collection. Now, previously we released a video unboxing the 40 in the Glenda and the Ozian, as well as the 30 in the Elphaba. But now we're back with the rest of them. I really couldn't resist. So I just think that the purple to like tan to pink and almost with like a green shift in there was just so gorgeous. I love the motif of Glinda's crown in here, and underneath here, which we can actually see on the 40 because it's open, we have the butterflies, which have, you know, they allude to the first movie or the first Stanley at least, because the butterflies were in here. So I just love this cup altogether. I love the gradient. I love how it, you know, shifts. I love that they're all a little different, so no Stanley is the same. I've learned that, you know, the purple is a little bit more or less prominent on different models. So this is what we got. We have 3 of the Glindas. We also have the other Elphabas on their way, so we will have a full Elphaba lineup as well. But let me know in the comments below which one you like the best. So let's go ahead and give just a quick little tour in case you are looking for these. So this again is the 20. What I like about the 20, which I'm realizing, is that you can use this by taking off the cap and just use it as a cup. So oftentimes when I use my Stanley, I am using it because I want to have, you know, unlimited water, and I really appreciate having the 40. But when I, you know, go to travel, I kind of like the 31 a little bit better because it's more lightweight, it's more portable. If I am going to leave it in the car, I'm going to use the 40. If I want just something really cute, I think that might be the 20. So I'm kind of leaning towards keeping the 20, but I don't know. You let me know in the comments below which one you would keep and why. Now, this is the 30. You do have the longer handle versus the 20, but you have the same motifs. So you have Glinda's crown, and then in the back, you're also gonna have the butterflies, and you have the same shift, same straw, same cap, and everything. Now, let's take a look at the bottom. And then last but not least, we have the OG, the, you know, gold standard. This is the 40. And, you know, you can't really go wrong with any of these, but it is a choice, and I don't think it's great to keep all of them, at least for me and my collection. So I will be gifting the remaining 2 to friends and family, but let me know which one you think I should keep and why. So that's all we have for this unboxing. Let me know in the comments below your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching, and can't wait to see you in the next one.